Lol. Can you guys even see anything? No? Ah, I'm soaked. Soaked to the bone. Sana? Ah. Oh nice, the street lights are actually on. Excellent. But I am wet! So wet! Ah! Yani it rained with no warning at all. Anyway, it's fine. But I'm really wet, like it's bad. I am like soaked to the inside. My underwear is wet. And when your underwear is wet, you know that it's bad. And I've got about a 20-minute commute to get home. So that's me sitting in wet underwear for the next 20 minutes, man. And then this bike, I don't use it when it's raining because my front tire is well worn. Like it's really, it's flat. You know how you measure the user coin a 1 bob, then you measure the tread. It's like, no, there's no tread now. It's just like straight. So I really need to replace it. But you know, can I just say that TVS is a really good company because let me show you how many kilometers I've done and I haven't changed the tire. Like I need to change it now, but the tire has lasted, man. They give me really good tires. 38,000 kilometers on the same tire. Isn't that fantastic? But yeah, I need to change it ASAP, so I rarely ride this bike in the rain. Oh, do I need to wipe the lens? Can you guys see? But there isn't really anything to see. It's at night. You're just listening to my voice. Just listen to what I have to say. Ah, I'm cold. Ah, it's cold. This guy is going slowly. I'm gonna overtake him. This is so unsafe for me to drive fast on this front tire. Ah, rain on me. Yeah. So my phone, right now, my phone's decided to oh, this is so cool. Do you think it knows? Sometimes I'm like, man, do phones know like more than we think they know? It's decided to play Rain on Me by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. Apt. It's such an apt song choice. I love it. The DJ in my phone is just the best because it's such an upbeat song and it's like Rain on Me. Wow. Well done. I'm gonna let this guy pass. I know. No worries, bro. I got you. Ah, I'm so cold. Ah, rain on me, yeah. I'd rather be drunk, but at least I'm enough. I don't know what the words are. I'd rather be drunk, but at least I'm enough. Ah! Jeez, that guy was going fast. I'm overreacting, guys. I'm overreacting to the rain. It's too much. Everything's wet. It's so annoying. And I know it seeped like right into my driving license. That's what I'm worried about because it's not protected. It's just gonna get wet and fall apart completely. Jeez. Then I'm gonna get caught by the cops and then it's gonna be a whole thing. Rain needs to... I feel like God should just like somehow tell us like in advance, like, yo, it's about to rain or it's gonna rain today. Because I have an app on my phone and once in a while it works and it warns me in the morning that it's going to rain. But more often than not it's completely wrong. But also, you know, Nairobi is huge. Like I'm in Karen now and when I get home it probably won't have rained there. Oh, I'm cold. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Oh my gosh, it's bad. Ah, it's so cold. Ah, I'm freezing, bro. Wow, it's cold. Oh, it's so wet, like right beneath in between my legs, man. Ah, it's so uncomfortable. I need to adjust my... But you know, the problem with being wet is that when you move, that coldness touches you. So I'd rather not move and just let my bum go numb than move and make everywhere just so uncomfortable. I don't know, do you guys understand what I'm talking about? I need to maybe chuck my gloves. No, that'll make it worse. I don't know what to do. You'd think that, man, after all these years I'd be like used to the rain. But I mean, sometimes it's really nice when I'm well protected and I've worn my waterproofs up and down, waterproof shoes. Everything is waterproof. It's actually really, really nice to be riding in the rain. It's very cool. It feels so nice because you're so warm, because it doesn't let any air out. You just bake. You're like in the microwave. Like you feel nice, like a samosa on the inside. A samosa. Samosa. Hey guys, I have a story about samosas. So like on a few days ago in the morning, I had a really early morning appointment and I went and did it, and I was done by about 8:30. But then I had this awkward amount of time between my appointment and the next one. Sorry, I'm wiping the lens. Between my appointment and the next one, where I couldn't go home because it was too far and I had nothing to do. Like I couldn't go straight to where I was supposed to go because I'd arrived too early. So I was like, okay, let me go to like a coffee shop. So I went to this place in Kilimani and I was like, okay guys, I want coffee and something to eat. They were like, samosa. And I was like, okay. But then in the back of my head, I was like, you should tell them that you don't like chili. But then the place was kind of fancy, so I was like, okay, maybe they won't like put chili. Maybe they'll ask me later. I don't know why I didn't just tell the dude. So yeah, I go sit down, then they bring my coffee and my samosa, and I can just tell from looking at it, I could tell that this samosa was going to choma everything inside of me. Choma my mouth, choma my esophagus, choma my stomach, choma my duodenum, choma my what's the big one called? Duodenum and biodenum. There's another one, that one. Anyway, it's going to choma everything and then choma my bum on its way out. So I was just like, man, I'm not going to eat this thing. But I really hate wasting food. Like I hate it like no one's business. And I think my mom maybe taught me that at some point. But anyway, so I was like, okay, let me put a lot of sugar into the coffee so that it offsets the taste of the hot samosa. Yani, I bite into that thing and it hits me immediately. Usually, you know, sometimes it's like it takes some time, but I feel like what they did is they put in hot sauce into the samosa. Hey, you guys, it hit me so hard. My nose started running. It was so bad. So I couldn't take another bite. And then that samosa is at home in the freezer, just chilling. It's chilling for a visitor who will come, and I'll be like, yo, you want a samosa? You like hot things?